Hello everyone, I'm Lish Vasquez, Dining Services Director at Glencroft Center for Modern Aging, and today we're going to make what I like to call the Feather Benedict, which is a twist on the classic version of the Eggs Benedict with a mock hollandaise sauce. So what we're going to do to make the classic the mock hollandaise sauce, we're actually going to start off with our a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, light mayonnaise. You're going to add that to a bowl. Okay. And then you've got your 1/4 cup of light sour cream. Just add that one in there. And then I've got just a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. And a 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then last but not least here, we've got an 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, which is what I like to call a dash. Just a dash of that. And then 1 drop of Tabasco sauce. There we go. And we're just gonna mix those ingredients together fairly simply. Just like that, till everything is fully combined and mixed. So it should look something like that, completely mixed, all right? You're just gonna set that aside, okay? And we are going to take our classic English muffin, toast it, okay? Just take your toasted English muffin here, and then we're going to turn on the heat. About a medium-high heat is what you're gonna want. I have my 5 ounces of egg whites, which is the equivalent of 3 whole eggs. So we just got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in here. Go ahead and add that on in there, just like that. Perfect. And what we're just gonna do, we're just gonna scramble them. So you're gonna want to make sure you kind of keep stirring so that they don't burn on the bottom. All right, so just nicely stir them around like this. All right, so our scrambled egg whites are nice and scrambled, okay? Now what we're gonna do, okay? And I'm going to use this spoon to assist me. A little bit of scrambled white there. Perfect. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of avocado puree. Now the cool thing about using egg whites is it's cholesterol free and an excellent source of nutrients and vitamins. And the Tabasco that we actually use in the mock hollandaise sauce has antioxidants and anti-aging properties. Didn't know hot sauce could do that, did you? And now you're just gonna take Roma tomatoes. I have 4 sliced Roma tomatoes. You're just gonna put 2 on each half, just like that. Now the mock hollandaise sauce, you can either do it pour on to the Benedict just as is, or you can also opt to heat it up if you like a little bit more creamy viscosity. That's what you do. You're just gonna pour a little bit right on there like that. Just a little bit. And I made enough mock hollandaise sauce for 2 people, so you have plenty in this bowl left over. For those that like extra dipping. So you're gonna do that. And now I've just got a little bit of chopped spinach. I'd say about a tablespoon is all you need, but I have a little extra here for garnish. You're just gonna put a little bit of chopped spinach right on top there. Make it look fancy, like that. Okay, there we have it, the Feather Benedict. I'm Lish Vasquez, reminding you that just because you're eating healthy doesn't mean it can't taste good. Happy cooking.